welcome you guys. Welcome back to another video. Welcome. I am outside today, y'all, chilling. It's beautiful. I'm getting ready to go to the store very shortly, so I thought I'd come on real fast just to do a video. Look at the sky, y'all. It looks like it's fixing to get ready to rain, so I really gotta get going before it starts raining, because look at this. But hope you guys are having a motivational day. Stay positive. Keep your energy flowing. Keep your blood flowing. Keep your mind flowing. And keep your skin glowing. I promise you, life can make anything easy if you make it easy upon yourself. Don't take your frustration out on nothing but yourself, because you will be the person that's not even trying to do better. Like, if that makes sense, like, don't take your frustration out on nobody else. If you take your frustration out on anybody, take it upon yourself, because you should be the person sitting there doing what you got to do and get done what you got to get done to do better and to be better and to get what you got to get done, right? So, yeah. But I hope you guys have an amazing day. Zay's in the house. We basically just cleaned the room up again. We didn't move nothing. We just cleaned it up. It was a little messy. We cleaned it up a little bit and rearranged things. Well, not rearranged, but like, you know what I'm saying, like clear things away and put things where it goes and stuff like that. But so the girls are currently eating their pancakes right now. I had just made them some pancakes, and Zay is watching a YouTube video. But we are chilling. Like I said, it's not really a nice day outside, because as you can tell, it looks like we're gonna have some rain. Hopefully not, because I gotta walk in this, and I don't want to walk in the rain. But rain is nature, so it's beautiful, right? I don't got no problem walking in the rain. It is what it is. But like I said, keep doing you and keep doing what you gotta do to make yourself better and to do better. Don't nobody stop your grind. Push harder, push more farther and farther as you can to make sure you're doing good for yourself and for anybody around you. But yeah, Zay is probably gonna pop on here soon, because like I said, I gotta get going before it starts raining. Look at this rain, y'all. Looks like it's gonna start raining very shortly. So I'm gonna get my hoodie just in case it starts raining, because I want to get my luxurious hair wet, okay? No, it's not raining. But anyways, my hair looks cringy and dingy, but yeah, so it is Saturday, and y'all know what that means. Saturday main event, so WWE. So I have to get back to watch WWE, which I should be back way before WWE come on. It comes on at 7, so I have like 2 hours. But until then, let's get to the store and let's get what I gotta get and get back, so we can be prepared for wrestling. But without further ado, y'all see Zay in the next clip.
What's up, guys? How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are having a motivational day. No matter what the circumstances is, you are a great human being at the end of the day. Don't let nobody stop you from completing your main mission or whatever you tended to in life. Just keep on being consistent and going through your journey the best way you can, and keep living with the best way you can, because life have many goals. You're gonna have many goals you're gonna have to complete. You're gonna have many goals you're gonna have to keep on trying to reach for every day. But every day makes perfect. But every day you wake up, it's another gift being received to you. You got to keep on going. It's like an impact you got to bring into life. And you got to keep on shifting that and keep on shifting that and keep on shifting every day. Because that's how you get things done, to be honest with you. You ain't going to get things done by just by sitting down or just waiting patient for your goal to come. You're going to have to go get your goal. You're going to have to go fight for your goal in life, because you ain't gonna get your goal by just sitting down or just waiting for it to come on its own. You gotta go chase that. You gotta go win that belt. You gotta go win that championship belt to get what you want to get in life, because life is about changing and manifesting what you want in life. It's all about manifesting what you want. Always try to manifest something that you want in life, because that's how you get things done. That's how you get things done in a better way. And then that's how you meet your success in life, because you got to keep on working. You got to constantly work every day to maintain that goal. Maintain that goal the best way you can. Don't never stop. Look at this. It's a bird on this gate right here. He probably finna fly. I'm trying to see if he's gonna fly today. Hope y'all think that. When he flew, is he flying down this way? Nope. But yeah, you gotta keep on maintaining your goal in life to get where you wanna go. Always manifest something that you want in life, because that's how you get it. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video so far. But hope you guys are having the best day y'all can in life. Enjoy it every day. Bring smiles to your loved ones every day. Every day you wake up, always check up on people, because you never know what they're going through. You never know if they need a hug. You never know if they need a shoulder to cry on. Even though you're not at the moment, but you still can be the shoulder. You still can be their shoulder that they cry on every day. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace.